In this video, we'll be finding the joists, marking the joists, and installing the smart track. Use a stud finder to find the two joists nearest the location marks and figure out which direction the joists run. Do the joists run parallel to the garage door or perpendicular to the garage door? Smart track must be mounted perpendicular to joists, with a lag bolt as close to each end of the smart track as possible. The two pieces of smart track will be mounted exactly 15 inches apart from center to center. My lifters must be mounted on your smart track in between joists, like this, not like this. If a joist runs through the middle of your location marks, you'll need to adjust the position of the marks so that all four marks are between joists. Once you've found the location and direction of your joists, make four more marks, one on each joist, in line with your original four marks. The second set of marks we'll call mounting marks, and that's where you will drill pilot holes and screw in your lag bolts to hold your smart tracks in place. The location marks are where you will mount your carabiners and my lifters on the smart track. Use the included drill bit and drill the first pilot hole using one of your location marks. Secure one end of the smart track by screwing in the first lag bolt and washer using your ratchet, as a drill could strip the hole. Using the first bolt as a pivot point, position the smart track over the second location mark. Use the drill bit and drill your second hole through the smart track and into your joist. Install the second lag bolt and washer with your ratchet. Repeat this process for the second piece of smart track, 15 inches from center to center and parallel with the first.